Hello. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get more views with vidIQ. I'm going to show you how to get more views with vidIQ. So first thing first, go to your favorite browser and open it. I love using Chrome. I believe you love using Chrome too. So all you just need to do is you go to vidIQ extension, and when the website opens, you go to extension, and all you just need to do, free sign up, install Chrome extension. So you need to go through that process. It's very simple. I'm not going to show you how to do that. As soon as you are done, I want you to go to YouTube. I'm going to show you how to get wonderful keywords that you can use in your video so that you get more YouTube impressions and more views. So take for example, you have already done everything you need to do with vidIQ. So I want to rank for how to get more YouTube views with vidIQ. So all you just need to do is search how to get more YouTube views. Let me just use that for example. How to get more YouTube views. So there's going to be a lot of videos here, but what we're interested in, videos that have done great in the last 1 month. So you need to go to your filters, click on this month. We are going to see the videos that YouTube is giving more attention in the last 1 month. So as you can see, in the last 1 week, this video has 22k views. How to get more views on YouTube in 2021, how to get views on YouTube according to YouTube. So as you can see, you need to include the keyword how to get. Almost all the videos are using how to get, how I find. So this is interesting. So all you just need to do is look for the videos that has the highest amount of views closest to when you are recording your video. So this one is just 1 week ago with 22k views. This one is 1 week ago with 22k views. So I'm going to go for Annie Dope because I like her video and I watch some of them. So we are going to use some of the keywords she's using. I know she has a paid view, a paid extension. I know she used TubeBuddy a lot of the time, but instead of us using TubeBuddy, I found a way around it. Although she pays TubeBuddy to use to get more advanced features so that she can get the keywords that people are looking for, but I just discovered that vidIQ can fetch that for you free of charge. So as you can see here, these are her channel keyword. This is what her channel is currently ranking for, but a little bit up here, as you can see, this is what this video that we have seen here is actually ranking for. How to get higher click-through rate on YouTube and get more views. Remember, get more views on YouTube is what we are actually after. So this is the keyword she's using. One, she's very popular. So her channel name will be popular too. So you can see she's actually using marketing, make money, how to get higher click-through rate on YouTube, and she's actually ranking as number 29. Click-through rate YouTube, how to grow on YouTube. So all you just need to do is copy this tag, and you can save them somewhere. That you will use later. So let me just keep them there for now. So let's go back to other videos because we need as many keywords as possible for this video. So we are going to go back to the first video that ranked very well in the last 1 week. So you click on the video. Remember to always click on the video. We are going to pause this video because we do not want to play it to avoid copyright issues. Good, you can see this channel is currently that those are the tags for this channel. Good. These are the video tags. These are the video tags that makes this video to rank. So you can also copy them and export them to your notepad. I believe I have notepad here. So you just save them somewhere cool. Paste them there. Come to Annie. Um, and paste all of them. All of them. Everything you need. Everything you need. So as soon as you have done that, as soon as you have done all that, um, I believe this all of them. As soon as you have done that, all you just need to do is record your video. And as soon as you are done recording your video, you need to add all those tags to your description. Your description doesn't need to be too long. All you just need to do is tell the audience about what the video is about in less than 50 words, then put in the tags below. That is exactly all you need to do. So watch out for this video, because this is the exact procedure I'm going to be using for this particular video. Then if you're interested to see the result, I want you to like and subscribe to my channel, so that this time next week you should be able to see the result of this video. I currently have 359 subscribers. So need weekly upload. I want you to subscribe to my channel so that we can grow together. See you in my next video. Bye for now.